Alright, so, here's my Westinghouse Apollo Elite ceiling fan. I got this at the Habitat Restore for $30. Well, this fan was purchased at the Habitat, it was purchased at the Habitat Restore for $30. Growing up, I'm still growing up, but when I was like a kid, like young, not like a teen, because I'm gonna be a teen soon, I'm 12. I had a friend named Hayden, and he had one of these in his old house in Pismo Beach. Oh, whoops, I just said. By the way, if you're wondering why there's a bandage on my toes, because I cut it up, by accident, and, yeah, that's really it, so, place the socket or something like that. It had 5 blades, but Josh D requested for me to do, 4 blades, so here you go, Josh D. Let me try to hold it up so I can show you. I usually hold it either right here or I hold it by the coupler. Alright, so let me show you how I usually do it. So, holding it right now. Oh, jeez, it's gonna fall. Oh. Okay, so I was holding it. Hold on. I was holding it like this. I was holding it upward. Alright, let me put it down. By the way, so, bulk day is coming up, and I'm gonna try to find a new fan, because there are quite a few people who are renovating on our street right now. We might, but yeah. You know the owners of the Victorians? Well, they had the Victorians, the Glendale. It was an interesting combo of fans. They had the Victorians, the Glendale, the Hawkins, the San Marinos. Yeah, about those fans. So, that house is actually going up for sale on, apparently it's going up for sale on, like, I think September 1st is when they want it on the market. But yeah, I know that has nothing to do with the video, but it seems like something I would just mention. So, bulk day is coming up. Hopefully I can find a fan. Blades are a bit scratched. I might flip the blades over. I have no clue what I want to do. I want to put light bulbs in it, but yeah. So anyways, this fan might be installed in my brother's house, because all the fans, like, he didn't get very lucky when he moved to his house. He moved into my grandma's house after my grandma passed away. And my sister used to live in that house, but we wanted to keep it in the family because she had to move somewhere else, so my brother took it, and his old apartment didn't have any fans, but this house has fans. It has a Hampton-based Sibley, which makes a really loud, it makes a loud hum. Oh, it's Fortnite. So it makes a really loud humming noise on low. And then there's this click-in fan. I call it a Frontera 2. But it's actually a click-in fan. Thanks to I can't remember. NickTube fans, I think, told me. So yeah. 4 blades, reversible from, it was silver, but then I decided to paint it, and I did a really horrible job. So I'm probably just going to have to spray paint them instead of painting them, because that idea was pretty bad. Thought I could do it, but I couldn't. So this blade isn't, like, the blades are really scratched. That's what I get from Habitat, but Habitat still has good things. So yeah, upshot is, this fan has 4 blades now. I've been kind of stressed out lately. This fan, I lost a screw to it, and now I can't, I want to use, like, a spare screw on it from another fan, but I don't know how that will result. I know other people have done it too, but, I might try it, but I don't know, because I'm just stressed out, because I lost a screw for the 5th blade, so, yeah. It is what it is, I guess, so, yeah, I'll have to give you guys an update on that. So, anyways, subscribe to the new channel, Fan Fever, and comment and like, please. Bye.